Like, this is the handsome man. If your husband see this in your craft room, just blame me. Just say it's not what you think. It's a kit from Antonio. Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday. Happy Friday means happy Friday freebie. Yes, another Friday. As you guys watch this video, just a little reminder, I am in Italy with Jamie towards the end of our holidays, and any orders that I get through the website, they will be dispatched as soon as I possibly can. I'm telling this in every video only because I'm conscious that not all of you watch excuse me, not all of you watch all my videos. So yes, so I have limited Wi-Fi in Italy because I only have Wi-Fi when I'm with my mum and dad. So when I'm out, I don't have Wi-Fi. So but I will check emails as soon as I get up and do all the orders before we do anything else. So Friday freebie, today I am gifting you this page for all the ephemeral lovers out there. If you are an ephemeral lover, pull your hands up and put mine up. Little treat. This page here is a page full of original rare photos. There is this handsome man. And then there is this guy here, which is playing something. And then two original certificate and an original rare postcard. Okay, this page here is part of my priceless postcards kit. In case you want to check it out, it's on page 4 of the catalogue. So this kit includes 7 pages of original ephemera from around the world, because this kit is part of my around the world collection. So let me show you the kit really quickly. So you get 7 pages of ephemera, so mainly postcards, hence why it's called priceless postcards, because they are original and priceless. So this is the front, and that is the reverse, so that is the back. So I did it this way, guys, so you can cut it and glue it together so you get your proper postcards. Okay, 1, got 2, number 3, 4, love this, 5, 6, and of course this will be page number 7. Okay, so I'm going to have a little play with these and I'll be right back. Okay, so simply what I did, I just put some floral stickers on them, because do you know how much I love, sorry about the light has changed, but I put my light down because if I put the light back up, you see all the glare from the stickers, and it doesn't give you a right picture of what things look like in real life. So like, this is the handsome man. If your husband see this in your craft room, just blame me. Just say it's not what you think. It's a kit from Antonio. So yeah, so what I did, just put floral stickers in it, and then you can just use them as you please. I often got received lovely email from you guys asking, how do I use this page? How do I do this? What can I do with this? Well, as I said to you several times, I don't like this lighting, so just put it back up. As I said to you guys, there aren't any rules in crafting. You can do exactly what you wish, what you want. But if you really want one rule, I'm going to give you one. The first and only rule, in my opinion, is do not think. Do not think. Thinking is the enemy of creativity. Just do things and go with the flow. Do not think. That's the best advice I could probably give you, and that's what I do. Hence why sometimes my videos are all over the place and is all a bit chaotic, but this is me and I can't change that. Is who I am. Right guys, big thumbs up if you like this freebie. How do you get this page? Well, the usual 3 things. 3 ways. One way, subscribe to my newsletter, and every Friday at 9 p.m. British time, you get my newsletter with the freebie attached to the email. Number 2, join my Facebook group. If you join my Facebook group, click on file, see all the freebies that have shared for the last 2 years. Third way, you just send me a blank email with a subject freebie, or just put a little message or whatever you wish, and then I will add you to the newsletter and I'll send you the freebies. Simple as. Okay, guys, thank you ever so much for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, whatever the plans are. And until next Monday, stay safe and well.